Hello. Hello. I'm in your street. What's his name? Toluwalase. Toluwalase. Number 17. Okay. Hello. My brother. Please, I'm going to Toluwalase number 17. Toluwalase. Because he said that number 17. I hope this is not.
Number 17 aku nyari.
Hey, my phone! My phone! My phone! Okay. Are you guys too? Give me my phone.